Hello, hello! We are back. I'm Marianna from Virtue and I'm really excited to walk you through our process of demounting the house of the future, the one that we built in Eindhoven last summer. Did you miss us? Did you miss the construction site? We definitely did. It was very, very exciting to get everything ready to start again. And now we just started demounting. Everything is going really fast already because everyone is working really hard. And I think the sun is playing its role as well. It's really motivating us. We started yesterday and the planters are already all down from the roof. The facade with the solar panel is getting stripped down. And I'm very curious to see what's happening inside. So do you want to follow me? Let's go. Hey, hey, can I come? Wow, holy damn. It's going pretty fast, I would say. Wow, okay, there's no walls anymore. The floor is also basically without any heating or anything. It's back to the bare minimum. I think people have been doing a hell of a job in 2 days. I think we are even maybe ahead of schedule. Cool. I think I'm going to ask Bas how difficult it was to actually disinstall all the installations, the electricity, etc. I'm really curious what he's going to say.
So I guess the biggest difference for me when you look at demounting or building the house, I would say that when you're building it, you really start to see your work grow, and now you are just picking it apart piece by piece, which I guess is a bit less fun because you don't see it become functional. And but I guess it's still also we're still enjoying the sun and working together, so that's really nice. The weather is great, and we're making good progress, so I'm enjoying it.
Hey everyone, it's already the second day of demounting. Oh! Oh, wow, I'm fine, but where's the platform gone all of a sudden? Yeah, I think demounting has been going a lot quicker than we thought, and I'm really curious what else has actually been disappearing all of a sudden in these few days. Let's see. So it's quite impressive. After only 6 days of working on site with around 10 people, we actually got to already this result, which for us was quite an achievement. And we figured that demounting a building is actually faster than constructing one. Also for us, it was quite a lot of pre-manufacturing, but then now what happens is that we take every part of the building in bigger chunks, like a puzzle, so that we can very quickly reassemble it in Wuppertal. For example, these parts, the whole facade will stay as it is, with the waterproofing and substructure on it and parts of the cladding, and will be just taken out and transported to Wuppertal. I'm really excited to see the process in a few days. Hello again. You see me from a bit of a different perspective now. It's only a couple of days later. We're at day 10 of deconstruction today, but turns out that there's only half of the facade on, literally half right now. They just finished 2 of the sides. It's really exciting. Again, we're pretty ahead of planning, and since yesterday the verrijker came along and it started removing the big parts of our building, the big staircase, the core extension, now the facade panels, and then it will go to the roof and the floor. So I'm going to walk around a little bit to see what's going on. Of course, for us, demounting is an essential step in the process of the solar decathlon because we test build. Now we have to demount the building, bring it to Wuppertal and reassemble it there in order to participate in the competition efficiently. But demounting is not just made for competition. It can have a bigger purpose, and that's why we're going to ask a few experts, why is demounting relevant?
We're going to a circular way of designing, and then building is one, but also demounting is as important as building. And then you need to be able to take it into the pieces which are separated by the materials, the different type of materials. I think that definitely there's a change in the way we build, because demounting was always there to a certain extent, but not to an extent that you could separate the materials which need to be separated. And I think this is one of the best examples to see how you could do it without influencing the design. So I think the looks of this building is exactly the same, but afterwards there's a huge difference if they're at the end of lifetime. Yeah.
Demountability for sustainability purposes, I'm a bit yes or no, because yes, we should make demountable buildings so that we can reuse everything. But I also think sometimes expectations are a bit too high of demountability because the benefits, the environmental benefits, are in the future. So when you make a building now and you make it demountable, then yeah, maybe in 75, 100, 150 years time you can reuse everything, right? So if you want to have an impact now on, as for carbon emissions, for example, embodied carbon, then it should be about demounting or deconstructing buildings, existing buildings, and reusing second-hand stuff now, right?
That was it. A lot faster than we expected. We actually finished demounting ahead of planning. It's been a lot of hard work, but also really interesting to see, how a house can just become a bunch of materials packed up in modules. We're so looking forward to Wuppertal, and I hope you will all be able to see us and follow the vlogs in Wuppertal when the actual big interesting moment comes. Getting it ready in only 14 days and winning the competition. Come with us to Wuppertal and follow us in the next vlogs.